Hi everyone, welcome back to the Will Rowing Co channel. Now today we've got a science video for you today, and we're going to be using some different objects and we are going to see whether those objects will blow over. So our video today is called Will It Blow Over? Now this week we've been focusing on the story of the Three Little Pigs, and we've had different versions of the story. And as you know, in that story, the different pigs use different materials to build their houses with. And one material, or some materials, work better than the others. So we've got different materials for our objects, and we're going to see if we can blow them over. Now we're going to be using a hairdryer to see if we can blow them over with today. If you don't have a hairdryer at home, you could try the experiment later with your breath, and you could blow as hard as you can to see if we can blow things over. So, the objects we're going to use today are a piece of paper, which I've rolled up with a little bit of sellotape to make it into a tube. Do you know what kind of 3D shape that is? Added on, that will be a cylinder. We're going to be using an empty squash bottle. We are going to be using my water bottle, which is made from metal, and we're going to be using a cardboard cereal box. So the squash bottle is made from plastic. Sorry if I didn't say that. So we've got a piece of paper, a plastic empty squash bottle, an empty metal water bottle, and a cardboard cereal box. Now the first thing I want us to do is I want us to put them in size order. I want us to put them from biggest, or tallest, sorry, to shortest. Okay, so which item is the tallest? Aha! It's the cereal box. Now which one's second out of these three? It's the empty squash bottle. Which is shortest here? Then the metallic, which means made from metal, water bottle, and then our rolled up piece of paper. Have I got that right? Okay, so they're in height order from tallest to shortest. So we're going to start off with the tallest item, which is our cereal box. So what we're going to do is we're going to place it there. Now, on my screen, you might be able to see, there's a little table at the bottom, and it's got this long word here that starts with a P, and that word says prediction. Now, you might not know what a prediction is. A prediction is almost a guess that we make at the start before we do something to think about whether something's going to happen or not. So I'd like you to make a prediction, to have a guess. Do you think this hairdryer will blow over this cereal box? Now, to keep it a fair test, we're going to make sure that the same setting is on for each hairdryer, and we're going to make sure that it's the same distance apart. Shall we have a go? I hope you've predicted, is it going to fall over or not? Will the cereal box blow over? I've predicted no. On my table, I've put prediction, the word no, which is one of our tricky words. You might know that. No. I don't think, because I think it's so big, it's so tall, surely it's really strong and we won't be able to blow it over. Let's find out. It did blow over. So in our results section on our table, which is where we write the answers, that's what happened, I'm going to write the word yes. Because I was wrong on that occasion, which doesn't matter. Because my thinking was, oh, the big items will be really strong, so they won't blow over. But in that case, it did. Shall we move on to our second tallest item? But what was that? It was our empty squash bottle. Now, if we look at my predictions, for the bottle, I think no, because I think it's quite big and it's strong as well. Shall we find out? Same setting as last time. Have a prediction, have a little think yourself, a guess yourself. Try and predict, will it blow over or will it not? Let's find out. It did, I managed to blow it over. So on our result table, I will write yes, because it did blow over. Which one was next? It was our metallic water bottle. Now I have predicted, yes, I think this will blow over because it's one of our smaller, shorter items. So I think that it's going to blow over. Shall we find out? I wonder what you think at home. Am I going to be right or am I going to be wrong? Same setting as always. Try one more time. It didn't blow over, it's still there. So on our result column, we are going to write no. And we've got one more item to try. Our piece of paper, now on my picture on the screen, it looked like it is a flat piece of paper. We've rolled it up and made it like that. Now I predicted this is one of our smaller pieces. In fact, this is our smallest, shortest thing that we have, that we are measuring today. So I've put yes, I think it will be blown over. Let's try. I know I was right. So in our result column, I've written yes. Now let me quickly go and gather my items that I've blown off the floor. So thinking about our items, we know that the only one that didn't blow over was our metallic water bottle, and the cereal box, the piece of paper, and the squash bottle all blew over. Now why do we think that is? That was metal, that was plastic, that was paper, that was cardboard. Now this might be difficult for you to work out, that's because you're not here, but I can let you in on a secret. Now Mr. Walcott doesn't have any scales, however he can lift them and figure out how heavy they are. And this item here, the metallic water bottle, is the heaviest. Compared to the others, they're much lighter. Imagine we were on a seesaw. The metallic bottle weighs a lot more, so that would go down, and the others would all go in the air. If you've got scales at home, maybe you'd like to measure your objects and see which ones are lightest and heaviest. Now, so we think, my thinking, I've put on my thinking hat, is that the reason this didn't blow over is because it was heavy. It was sturdy. The power from the hairdryer, the wind coming out of that, the air coming out of that, sorry, wasn't quite strong enough to blow over. So how could we make one of these three items here heavier? Now we could put our cereal back in our empty cereal box. I'm not sure how we could make this heavier. Maybe you've got an idea at home. Maybe we could put some paper clips on it. But there is an easy way that we can make our empty squash bottle heavier. And that's by filling it up with water. So I'm going to go and fill it up with water, and then we're going to see if the experiment works. And will it blow over or will it not? Let's find out. Welcome back. So, I've managed to fill up my squash bottle with water all the way to the top. So that's made it really heavy. In fact, it's made it a lot heavier than my metallic water bottle. So, we're going to make another prediction now. Do we think the heavier water bottle will be able to be blown up? The hairdryer, will be able to blow over this bottle? I've put, because we've made it heavier, no. Shall we find out? Same setting as always, same distance apart. Remember last time when this was empty, it did blow over. Let's try one more time. It hasn't blown over. So that's shown that potentially the heavier an item is, the harder it is to blow over. Maybe you could try some things around your house, different items made of different materials, and maybe you could use a hairdryer, or you could use your mouth to try and blow them over. That's the end of the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to try some things at home related to this, that'd be amazing. Speak to you soon. Bye.